Greetings. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your life: online writing jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour, and no experience is required. That's right, you can start earning a fantastic income from the comfort of your own home, all while doing something you love, writing. So, grab a pen and paper, or your favorite note-taking app, because you're not going to want to miss a single detail. Types of online writing jobs. Let's kick things off by exploring the different types of online writing jobs available. First up, we have article writing. If you're someone who loves researching and putting together well-structured pieces, this could be the perfect fit for you. You'll have the opportunity to write about a wide range of topics, from technology and lifestyle to health and beyond. And the best part? You can typically earn between $25 and $35 per hour. Not too shabby, right? Next on our list is live chat jobs. Now, if you're a people person with excellent communication skills, this one's for you. As a live chat agent, you'll be responsible for answering customer inquiries in real time, providing support, and resolving issues via chat. And the pay? Well, you can expect to earn around $25 to $30 per hour. Plus, you get to do all of this while lounging in your comfy PJs and sipping on your favorite beverage. Talk about a dream job. Blog post writing and social media writing. Moving on, we have blog post writing. If you're a storyteller at heart and love sharing personal experiences, this could be your calling. You'll be creating engaging content for various blogs, covering topics ranging from personal anecdotes and reviews to tutorials and more. And the best part? The pay ranges from $25 to $40 per hour. Not too shabby, right? Last but not least, we have social media writing. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on social media and knows how to engage an audience, this job is made for you. You'll be crafting posts, updates, and replies for platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And the pay? Well, you can expect to earn anywhere from $25 to $35 per hour. Talk about a dream job for social media enthusiasts. Potential earnings and flexibility. Now, let's talk about the potential earnings and flexibility these online writing jobs offer. Depending on how much time you can dedicate, your earnings can vary significantly. For those looking for a side hustle, dedicating just 5 to 10 hours a week can help you earn an extra $100 to $300 per week. This is perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to supplement their income. If you're seeking a part-time job, committing 10 to 20 hours a week can bring in $300 to $700 per week. This is a great option for those with other commitments but who still want to earn a substantial part-time income. And for those of you who are ready to go all in, working 30 to 40 hours a week as a full-time online writer can earn you a whopping $1,000 or more per week. Imagine making that kind of money from the comfort of your own home. Devices and flexibility. One of the best things about online writing jobs is the flexibility they offer. Whether you prefer working on your phone, tablet, or laptop/desktop, you can do these jobs from any device. Using your phone is great if you're always on the go, as you can manage social media writing or live chat jobs conveniently. Tablets offer a larger screen, making it easier to write longer articles or blog posts. And for more intensive writing tasks like article and blog writing, laptops and desktops are ideal for comfort and efficiency. Getting started. So, how do you get started with these amazing online writing jobs? It's actually pretty simple. First, identify your strengths. Do you enjoy research and factual writing? Article writing might be the perfect fit for you. Love engaging with people on social media? Social media writing could be your calling. Next, find reliable platforms to get these jobs. Some popular sites include Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, ProBlogger Job Board, and Remote.co. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for various writing services. Creating a portfolio is also a great way to stand out, even as a beginner. Write a few sample articles or blog posts on topics you're interested in. This will give potential clients an idea of your writing style and abilities. Once you've got your portfolio ready, start applying for jobs that match your skills and interests. Tailor your application to highlight any relevant experience and why you're interested in the job. Don't get discouraged if you don't get hired right away. Persistence is key. Lastly, take advantage of any training offered by these jobs. Many online writing jobs provide training to help you get started. Use these resources to improve your skills and increase your chances of success. Closing thoughts. And that's it. Online writing jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour can be a fantastic way to earn a great income from the comfort of your home. Remember to check the links in our description below to access all the resources mentioned in this video and to apply for these jobs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy writing. See you in the next video.